Figure I better get a little footage on this stuff because it's going to be gone. 1407 3rd Street, 1411 3rd Street, a Sears and Roebuck catalog home built in the early 1900s. It's going to face demolition. I just heard something in there. I don't see anything. That's what it sounded like. Glass shattering. Interesting. Huh. I'm gonna miss this house. Tried all I can to save it. Be a sad day. It's 1411 3rd Street Northwest in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're going through a drought now, but we had a flood 4 years ago. This is full of houses and people. They were forced to move because of this great need for a flood wall. And now we're having a drought.